There are many famous volcanoes around the world, and many are established as national parks or de facto protected areas, since the surrounding areas are generally considered unsafe for human habitation. Colombia has some 25 active volcanoes. One of these, the Nevado del Ruiz volcano, erupted violently in November of 1985. The resulting explosion and heat melted the glaciers, causing lahars. Lahars are volcanic debris and mud flows. These lahars swept down the mountain on its eastern side, killing over 23,000 people. Today, this volcano is back to its peaceful nature. Between the glaciers and the tree line exists a unique ecosystem called the Páramo. The vegetation before the true Páramo is characterized by grasslands intermixed with thickets of shrubs and dwarf trees. The true Páramo looks like this and is mostly found in the Andes, between 3,000 and 5,000 meters. It plays a crucial role in Colombia's water supply. This ecosystem is considered a biodiversity hotspot, particularly for the diversity of plant species. There are also a variety of hummingbirds that have adapted to this cold, wet environment. Among the rare species include the mountain tapir, which has a population stronghold just to the southwest of the volcano, and the Andean bear has been recorded there too. Even the condor has been seen at times. The great sapphire wing is a huge, shining emerald and blue hummingbird. It lives at the forest edge of the Páramo. This big boy is territorial and solitary. Males and females look alike. The great sapphire wing is one of the largest hummingbirds in the world. Some beautiful tanagers are found here too. In this cold, wet habitat, feather maintenance is particularly important. This hummer forages at the lower and mid-story of the forest. Another hummingbird at the edge of the Páramo is the golden-breasted puffleg. The words to describe the puffleg's territorial defense are active and aggressive. Hummingbirds have an advantage to survive in this cold, hostile environment. They can go into torpor, a state which their metabolic rate drops, and their heartbeat goes from 1,000 to 50 beats per minute. Energy is conserved. Even Zen Buddhists can't do that. This high-altitude species is known to migrate altitudinally. Look, baby sunbeams. This high-altitude rabbit has to take care of its hair, just like the hummingbirds take care of their feathers. There are signs of past volcanic activity everywhere, and a reward for playing the odds of an eruption are hot springs. White-tailed deer are a ubiquitous species from North America into northern South America. Now there are two species of rare hummingbirds in this habitat that drive photographers and birdwatchers loco. One is the appropriately named rainbow-bearded thornbill. They have extremely short bills. Thornbills hunt for insects on the ground, flicking the bugs into the air and then catching them. How cool is that? The female has no beard. It is a nice beard, or whatever it is. The buffy helmet crest is only found on this volcano, the only place in the world. There are perhaps 1,000 individuals, which means they are vulnerable to extinction. In perspective, there are 52 million people living in Colombia. This large hummingbird forages on low bushes, usually alone. But during the dry season, many birds forage together. Besides getting nectar here, these flowers are full of yummy insect larvae. Helmet crests often fly low above running water to catch flying insects. There are many other beautiful and interesting species on this volcano.